I finally got the Rituals vitamins. Yeah. 2 watermelons, yellow plantains. Got your green bell peppers, cucumbers for our juice. We got those little feet. We got Welch's grape juice. We got all her waters for school. She loves the Fiji. And we got her little water bottles for her book bag. We got 2 milks, Feel Like 2% reduced, organic milk, spaghetti. She loves it. We got our Chobani complete protein. Can't believe it's not butter. We got 3 bunches, not 1 but 3. She loves bananas, eggplant, apple juice. We got cabbage, and we got for the juices celery, 2 bunches, and 2 of these bags of apples. Yes, so that is my grocery haul. Okay, hopefully a white onion squash and a bag of potatoes. I don't know if I missed anything, but yeah, guys, that's our grocery haul. What did y'all get? What do y'all buy from the grocery? Do you buy any of these? Let me know. So I finally got these Ritual vitamins, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So this Ritual Essential for Women multivitamin 18 plus. I had 1, and this is what it looks like. Yeah. Maybe this is for mommy. You have your vitamins. It's like oil, and it smells minty. It's like oil. Let's not forget the Atlantic salmon. Yes, honey. I don't know how I'm gonna do this tonight. And just in case we didn't have enough, we got some detergent, Arm & Hammer, some Lysol laundry sanitizer, Scott, okay, 3 avocados, organic bananas, and some grapes, and all this water. Yes. Okay. All right, guys.
What are you tutor?
How pretty is this? Look at mommy. Oh, cheese. Look at this lavender. Beautiful. Cheese. Cheese. Look at who came to say hi to me. Hi, baby girl. Hi, pretty. She just flew up to say hi. Hi. Hi, my love. Hi. Look how pretty you are. Oh my goodness, I know. It's like you have eyes. You are so gorgeous. Hi. Oh, I love it. I know. I love you. Love you. Be careful, okay? Be careful. Hey guys, I'm just doing some childhood healing now. So when I was little, right, I was in foster care, y'all that don't know me, and I had the like evil foster mom, right? So I used to come home from school, she never was home until like midnight or 1 a.m. So I had to go to the supermarket because there was no food in the house, and I had to steal basically the food that I wanted, which was always bread, ketchup, and Vienna sausages. If you know, you know. And the security guards in there, they told me to come to the front. This one security guard, I don't know if he's still alive, but it was at Pathmark in Brooklyn on Albany, and he was so sweet. And you know, you never know like how far kindness could go, because I was starving and he let me take what I need and come to the office. And I appreciate you so much. Like, wherever you are out there, I love you and appreciate you. You're the best. Like, he was an angel, you know, and you never know what people are going through. So just don't judge people. When you look at them, don't judge them, because you never know what they went through in their life. But anyway, guys, I just had to get that off my chest. That's one thing I went through. I used to starve, and that's why I started stealing. Okay, go. Mark, get set, go! Mark, get set, go! Woo! Hey guys, so let me give y'all a life update. So I remember when I was toxic and I was clubbing and I was partying and I had fake friends and I had people using me and I had these people, energy vampires, family included, right? I had a foster mother that was abusing me and all of this, and I accepted guys like treating me like garbage because that's what I grew up seeing. All the men that she was with, they was treating her like that. But then fast forward years later, maybe like 20 years, because it took me forever to heal and took me forever to heal that childhood trauma. So now I'm so happy, I'm healed. I have someone that loves me, loves my daughter. I have everything I ever dreamed of, and I do not lack or live in the mentality of wanting, needing, scarcity mindset. I don't have nothing. Like, I'm just completely full of love, and you know, I want that for everybody. You know what I mean? I want that for all of y'all. But that's my life update. I'm no longer complaining or struggling or suffering, and I changed my timeline. So I just need all of y'all to just get with the program and heal, so you can feel and have this glow that is constantly radiating. All right, namaste, guys. So every time I'm braiding her hair, combing her hair, washing her hair, she loses her mind. That's how I was when I was little. So that's why I'm not fazed by anything, because I have tender hands. She got a tender scalp, so do I, and it doesn't bother me. Because in 0.2 seconds, y'all gonna see her bug out. This is detangler, and her hair is not even tangled right now. So she is just gonna be losing it just because she know the camera is there. Whenever the camera is on and rolling, she like to show out. So I'm not even interested, because I literally comb her hair, braid her hair every day. Everyone that knows me, they know. Like, my friends that come to my house, they know. They see me literally braid her hair every day. Even the teacher was like, oh no, I can't even do that. So if she can't even do that on her own head, come on now. And that's a grown woman. I don't have no comment about that. But y'all already know, I'm gonna keep it to myself. So basically, I took her to get her hair braided. I haven't taken her since she's only 4. I haven't taken her to, you know, African yet, but y'all already know. They be pulling the HELL out your scalp. They make sure they get every strand, every crescent. And I don't really want her edges pushed back. Not yet. But anyway, I'm gonna take her to the Dominicans when she get older. But right now, this is gonna have to do. Yeah, it's all right. At least when mommy does it, I know I'm not. Y'all can see how soft. I'm not even doing nothing. What am I doing? It's just because she's upset. She's mad I'm doing it. I'm interrupting her tablet, her cartoons. She don't like it, and she'll let you know. So my friend was at my house, and I had to basically ask them to distract her. Like, I was just like, look over here, look over there, do this, do that. Yeah, see? she just be showing out. And it's nobody's gonna save you. Like, you have to get your hair done. As soon as she finish her hair, she run in the mirror. She's so vain. She want to see how nice it look, and she be like, I love you, mommy. Thank you, thank you. See, so that's why I don't even be bothered. I'm not, because she doesn't keep her head tie on at night. She wants to take it off. I'm constantly, you know, rolling around, putting it back on her head because she's still sleeping in my bed. Yes, I said it, and I don't care. That's my child. She's gonna sleep in my bed until I feel like it. And look at the great job I did. Come on now. Come on. Best mom ever.
I know. What that mean?
Night night. Okay, you gotta give me the tablet. Can I get the tablet? No? No? Okay. What? No, no, no. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay.